Hi there, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and continue our math lesson on first starting with our essential question. Can you help me read it? How can I use objects to subtract? So we've been using so many things to subtract. We've been using pennies, we used cups and we tumbled them. We've been using all kinds of objects and we take away the objects to show how many are left, which means we subtract. Today, we're working on the last knowledge for college. I'm going to highlight it. It's KOA3. And it says, I can decompose numbers less than 10. Can you say that? I can decompose numbers less than 10. And boys and girls, when we decompose, we just take apart. Say decompose, take apart. So we're going to be decomposing, taking apart from 10. So as you can see here, I have 10 fingers. Right? You do too. Let's count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoopsie. 10. Yes, we have 10 fingers. So I'm going to be folding fingers, and you could try this at home with your own hands. I'm using this so I can use my other hand to do something else. So we have 10. We have 10 fingers. When I fold them down, that means we're taking away, we're subtracting. So let's say 10 rabbits were hopping. So we have 10. 2 went back home. So I'm going to fold 1, 2. And you can fold 2 fingers too if you wanted home. 2. So how many went away? 2. And what sign do we use? The minus sign. So we had 10 bunnies. How many went home? 2, right? Because the fingers are folded down. What's a question we're going to ask? How many are left? So let's count the rest of them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bunnies are left? 8. And remember, we need the equal sign. How many are left? 8. Let's read that subtraction sentence. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 take away 2 is 8. Are you ready to try another one? Awesome. So we're back to 10 again, right? Because we're taking away from 10. And since we have 10 fingers, I think that's the best idea. So 10. So now I'm going to tell you another story. 10 little llamas were eating grass. How many llamas? Good, 10. 5 llamas went to go take a nap. How many llamas went to go take a nap? 5. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers down. What question am I going to ask? That's right. How many are left? Good. So let's see. Let's count. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. So let's go back to our subtraction sentence here. We had how many llamas eating grass? 10. Let's do the takeaway sign, the minus sign. How many llamas went to go take a nap? Good, 5. So we're taking away 5, aren't we? What question am I going to ask? How many llamas are left? So let's do our equal sign. 10 minus 5 is what, boys and girls? How many are left? Good, 5. You see how we're decomposing from 10? We always start at 10, and then we just take away, and then we have how many are left. Let's read this one together. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 take away 5 equals 5. There's two ways to say it. That's why I used both. So good job. So use your fingers, boys and girls. You can use your fingers, or maybe mom and dad can help you cut, okay? So familias, los niños pueden usar sus deditos, o si gustan hacer manitos, que sería más fácil para ellos, y los doblen ya que quiten, okay? So now, because you're going to be doing your math activity, and for this one, you're going to be counting to see how many in all. And I told you we're counting from what? From 10, right? Because the standard says we're going to decompose from 10. So they're always going to be 10. Okay? I want to do a few with you using this way and using our other strategy that we learned. Say number line. So one strategy to subtract is using our fingers. What's another strategy? Using a number line. You got it. So for number 1, boys and girls, let's count the soccer balls. I know there's going to be 10, but let's just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. And you notice I went across. I don't skip around. I go across when I count. That makes me stay focused and on target. So how many? 10. Boys and girls, how many soccer balls are crossed out? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are crossed out? How many balls went away? 8. So we have to do our minus sign, right? So 10 take away 8 is what, boys and girls? How many are left? I'm going to circle them so I don't get confused. How many are left? 2. Don't forget the equal sign. 10 take away 8 is 2. I'm going to use my handy dandy number line here because I like using subtraction in different ways. So how many were there? 10. So I got my little pom-pom on 10. How many went away? 8. So remember, we're subtracting. We have to go back, right? Not forward. We did that last time, a few weeks ago. Not anymore. We're going back. So let's do 10. Ready? Help me count back. 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it. 10 take away 8 is what, boys and girls? 2. See? Same answer, different ways. So I'll leave my little number line in a little bit here on the side here. So boys and girls, there are 10 basketballs because we're decomposing from 10, right? How many are crossed out? 3. So we do minus 3. 10 minus 3. We're going to count how many are left. We can use our fingers, remember? And in a minute, we're going to use our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 7. 10 take away 3 is 7. So where are we starting again? 10. How many are we taking away? 3. So let's go back 3 times. Ready? Go. 1, hop, 2, 3. 10 take away 3 is what, boys and girls? 7. See, we got the same answer. Okay, last one. What are we decomposing from? What are we taking away? From 10. Let's see how many are taking away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So 10 take away 5. Let's find out how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 take away 5 is what, boys and girls? 5. Okay, so I'm going to go where? To 10. How many are we going back? 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay, we did it. See? 10 take away 5 is 5. 10 take away 5 is 5. So boys and girls, go ahead and continue doing your math sheets. I added the number sheets, added the number pages to the homework learning activities. Okay, boys and girls, use your number line, use your fingers, and subtract.